Welcome to Ibrahim FX Trader, your go-to source for mastering Forex trading. In today's video, we're breaking down 3 popular trading strategies: scalping, day trading, and swing trading. We'll cover how each strategy works and the pros and cons of each. Let's dive in. First up is scalping. Scalping is a fast-paced trading strategy that involves making numerous small trades throughout the day to capture tiny price movements. Scalpers hold positions for a very short time, often just a few seconds to a few minutes. The goal is to accumulate small profits that add up over time. Here are the key points about scalping. 1. High frequency. Scalping requires making many trades in a short period. 2. Quick decisions. You need to be able to make rapid trading decisions. 3. Low risk per trade. Each trade risks a small amount of capital. 4. Tight spreads. It's important to choose brokers with low spreads and fast execution. Scalping can be highly profitable but also requires a lot of time and focus. It's not for everyone, especially if you prefer a less intense trading pace. Next, we have day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, closing all positions before the market closes. Day traders look to capitalize on intraday price movements and often use technical analysis to identify trading opportunities. Key points about day trading: 1. Intraday focus. All trades are opened and closed within the same day. 2. Technical analysis, heavy reliance on charts, indicators, and patterns. 3. Time commitment. Requires significant time to monitor markets throughout the day. 4. Moderate risk. Risks are managed by closing all positions daily. Swing trading is ideal for those who can't monitor the markets constantly, but still want to participate in the Forex market. And there you have it, a detailed look at 3 popular Forex trading strategies: scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Each strategy has its own unique approach and requirements, so choose the one that best fits your trading style and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more Forex trading tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.